Okay, moving on to the carpet. I'm doing this back area so I can lay this back seat in here, and I'm gonna work back to forward. Gonna vacuum up real quick here, and then I can spray down with some 409. Okay, and I'll just spray some cleaner. Definitely don't want to be putting that back seat back in here without doing a good cleaning like this. Same with the glue down on the carpet padding. I want to make sure to have as clean of a surface as I can here. Okay, so I'm going to get my impact driver and I'm going to try to see if I can just spin these out real quick. And then I'm going to maybe glue down the padding. Alright, I'm going to tape off these bolts with some masking tape so I don't want to get them too nasty. And then I'm going to glue the jute padding down. You win this round, gravity. Okay, so this is kind of a test to see if this material is going to work, and to try to get the back just finished before I get some padding. Anyways, I got this set, and I'm going to glue it in, see what we can do. Let's do a little edit down to right here. This is padding. It's very similar to this. It's just a different color. That's what they had in stock at B&H. All right. I've laid out some patterning material on the center section. I'm gonna make it straight on the top, and then I'm gonna sew some strips on the side just so it has some way to fold. Hopefully that becomes clear here in a second. I'm gonna go maybe sew that up and see if we can lay it on and see how it looks. Okay, I have this pack lid on the one side sewed up from the pattern. I'm gonna start gluing. This is a really good department in without having to do all of that. Okay, on today's very special episode of working on the weekend to get this silly thing done. So I'm going to tape the binding on first. I usually do that with carpet just because it's easier. I might be being a little greedy here. I try to do both sides at the same time with the thicker tape. Should have started from the other side, but that's okay. I'm going to tape the other one up and then we'll switch cameras for sewing. Not too shabby. Let those dry for 5 or 10 minutes and then get started gluing them inside the car.